Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So I welcome you again to your English class, and today we'll do one practice exercise of kinds of adjectives. I have made separate videos on different kinds of adjectives, and if you have not seen those videos, you can check the link in the description box. So let's get started, but before moving further, let's recapitulate about the meaning and different kinds of adjectives. So we all know that adjectives are words that are used to describe or modify nouns or pronouns. For example, I have a big car. So here the word car is a noun, right? And the word big is describing the noun car. That's why it's an adjective. Okay, let's look at one more example. He gave me a beautiful pen. So here the word pen is a noun and the word beautiful is describing the noun pen. That's why it's an adjective. Okay, and if you remember, we discussed 6 kinds of adjectives, which are adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, and interrogative adjectives. Adjectives of quality, which are also known as descriptive adjectives, tell us about the kind or quality of a noun. Okay? Actually, they answer the question of what kind. For example, she is an intelligent girl. So here the word girl is a noun and the word intelligent is describing a noun. Okay, it is telling us about the quality of the noun girl. So that's why it's an adjective of quality or descriptive adjective. Okay. Adjectives of quantity indicates the amount or estimated amount of the noun or pronoun in the sentence. It does not provide information about exact numbers, but it tells only the amount of noun in relative or whole terms. Okay? They answer the question how much, and they are usually used with uncountable nouns. For example, he ate some rice. So here the word rice is a noun, okay, and it's an uncountable noun. We cannot count rice. And the word some here is an adjective of quantity because it is telling us about the amount of the noun rice. Okay. On the other hand, adjectives of number are the adjectives that are used to show either the number of nouns or their position or place in a certain order. Okay? They answer the question how many and they are used with countable nouns. Alright? For example, there are 10 students in the classroom. So here the word students is a noun, right? And the word 10 is an adjective of number because it is telling us about the exact number of the noun students. Okay. Now the demonstrative adjectives point out to a particular noun. Okay. And they answer the question which one. For example, this shirt fits me well. So here the word shirt is a noun and the word this is used to point out that noun shirt. Okay, so that's why it's a demonstrative adjective. The possessive adjectives are used in a sentence to show the possession or ownership or are used to express a close relationship with someone or something as well as modify the noun. Okay, they answer the question whose. For example, this is my book. So here the word book is a noun and the word my is a possessive adjective. And the interrogative adjectives are used before nouns to ask questions. For example, whose pen is this? So here the word pen is a noun and the word whose is an interrogative adjective because it is used to ask a question. So these were the 6 kinds of adjectives that we discussed, okay? And if you want to know more about them, you can watch my videos. I have made a separate video on each kind of adjective, okay? So now let's do one practice exercise of kinds of adjectives, okay? So here you have to fill in the blanks with appropriate kinds of adjectives indicated in the bracket. Okay, so look at the first sentence. Dash lunchbox is this, and the kind of adjective that is given in a bracket is interrogative. So you have to fill an interrogative adjective here. So the answer here will be whose lunchbox is this? The next sentence is the dog buried dash bone, and you have to fill the possessive adjective here, and the answer is its. The dog buried its bone. Okay, look at the next sentence. I need to clean dash shoes, and here you have to fill the possessive adjective. So the answer here will be my. I need to clean my shoes. For the personal pronoun I, we use the possessive adjective my. Okay, I hope you all remember, right? And now look at the next sentence. He made dash mistakes in his assignment, and you have to fill the adjective of number here. So you can fill any number here. He made 2 mistakes, he made 3 mistakes, 4 mistakes. Okay, look at the next sentence. He ate dash food before leaving, and you have to fill the adjective of quantity here. So what is the answer? The answer is he ate some food before leaving. Okay, you can also write little. Okay, he ate little food before leaving, or he ate some food before leaving, right? The next sentence is the fox is a dash animal, and you have to fill the adjective of quality here. Yes, we all know that the fox is a clever animal. Okay. The next sentence is Sunday is the dash day of the week, and you have to fill the adjective of number here. Yes, we all know that Sunday is the first day of the week. Look at the next sentence. I enjoy watching dash movies, and you have to fill the demonstrative adjective here. And the answer here is these. I enjoy watching these movies. Okay. The next sentence is dash team won the match, and you have to fill an interrogative adjective here. So the answer is which team won the match? Okay. Look at the next sentence. The dash class was punished for making a noise, and you have to fill the adjective of quantity here. So the answer here is the whole class was punished for making a noise. The next sentence is Nikhat is an dash girl. She returned the money she had found, and you have to fill the adjective of quality here. So the answer here is honest. Nikhat is an honest girl. She returned the money she had found. Okay. Now look at the last sentence. The crops have died because there has not been dash rain this year, and you have to fill the adjective of quantity here. So the answer here is enough. The crops have died because there has not been enough rain this year. So this was the practice exercise of kinds of adjectives, and I hope you have enjoyed doing this. So this is all for today, and we'll continue with this chapter, that is adjectives, in our next video, in which we'll discuss about formation of adjectives. Okay, so till then, take care everyone, stay healthy, stay safe, and thank you so much for watching.